Assalamualaikum, our dear students. Today we have a new chapter. We start from here. So random variable. This topic is related with statistics. So and this topic is also with the FEC level and BCS and MCS MAC students. So let's start. Random variable. What is random variable? How we can define the random variable? The variable whose values are determined by random experiment is called random variable, and random variable is denoted by capital letter x, y, z, and its elements are denoted by small letter x, y, z. For example, we can define it here. So we write here the definition of random variable. The random variables, the variable whose values are determined by the random experiment is called random variable. After we have write their integration random variable, and it is denoted by capital letters. For example, x, y, and z, etc. And its elements are denoted by small letters x, y, and z, etc. Let, for example, we take one of the example. Let two kinds are tasked. Two kinds are tasked. So, and let x be the random variable, and let x be the number of heads. That means that if we task two coins at a time, so how we can represent the random variable x, the number of heads, denote the number of heads, how we can represent it by this result. So now first of all we draw their samples, two coins are tasked. So number of sample space. So two coins are tasked, so and the faces times are two faces, so we write there are two. If dice are rolled, so we can use there 6 in the sample space because there is a 6 faces in here. So 2n, where n represent the number of experiments, how many experiments are doing in here. Here 2 experiments are doing in here, so we can write 2 exponent of 2 is equal to 4. For this 4, this result we divide by 4. 4 is roughly we divide by, and here we get 2. So number of sample space of this result we get first 2 heads we write in the sample space and 2 tails. And similarly, in this result is further divided by 2, we get in hairs 1. So 1 head and 1 tail. 1 head and 1 tail. So we are in here x be the random variable, so that will be the number of heads is required. So now look here, there are 2 heads and just only 1 head, and here is just only 1 head, and here is 0 heads. So we can say that here x is equal to 0, 1, 2 is a random variable. That is called random variable. Thus, we assign a numerical value, this numerical value, to each outcome of a random experiment. We assign a numerical value to each outcomes of a random experiment. To each outcomes of a random experiment, let we can take one of the result, let W be the result of the random experiment, to be the result of a random experiment. So W we can write in here TH and HT and HH and W of X of W we can say that X of W, and X is a random variable and they are we can write and the function form we are writing in here. So and here is no head, and here is one head, and here is also one head, and here is two heads. Now this function we can write in the form of X and W. So here W gives the result dt and result is 0. Similarly, and here th and the result is 1. Again in here ht the result is 1 and hh the result is 2. So we get in here this function in the form of function, so it can be more rigorous. We can say that random variables we can also define from this diagram, from this results. Random variables, the function whose domain is the random experiment and range is the real values. Range here in the function, first value is called domain and the second value of this function is. So from the above discussion we can say that the function whose domain is the set of the random experiment and range is the real value is called random variable. Dear student, I hope you will understand this topic very clearly. If there is no doubt, if there is doubt to you, so please comment on this video. Thanks again for watching. Please comment and share this video more and more.